In this video, I'm going to show you how to save your emergency kit in 1Password. Now, 1Password's emergency kit basically contains all the details you need in case you want to log into 1Password on a different PC or if totally forget your secret key. It contains all of those details that you need to, let's say, log back into your account or on a fresh PC or whatever it is, register on a new device. And so once you create an account for the first time, you'll be able to save this, let's say, emergency kit. But if you have done that a long time ago, it's possible that you have it stored somewhere or you lost it or totally forget where you save it. And so right now, if you have access to 1Password, I recommend that you save your emergency kit. So follow these steps to basically save that. Click the account or your 1Password extension that you have, and you want to find your account, and you can either click on the open and fill from here, or on the right side you will find the website open and fill, whichever you want, and it's going to open up the admin console. Log into the admin console, and so once you're in there, click your account on the upper right, then click on manage account. Here under your account you will find your secret key that you can copy as well, but you don't necessarily have to, because it's going to be contained within the emergency kit. And so right here, you can click on the save emergency kit, and it's going to generate it for you. And so you have it right here, which is your code anyways, and you can click and download. And right now you can see that you can even print it or whatever. Click got it. And so I have it right here, this PDF document. This will be my emergency kit that I can use to find my secret key and all my good stuff there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.